Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can reopen Instagram photo message. So basically, when you receive a photo message on Instagram, so let's see that I've received here. Open up your Instagram and this is the one. You can only replay a disappearing photo or video right after you've received it. Note that the person who sent it will be able to tell if you have replayed it or taken a screenshot if detected. However, if you wish to give it a try, then what you can do is, first of all, let's say that I'm going to view this photo, okay, only be able to play it once. So however, what else you can do is you can just go ahead and try closing your mobile data or Wi-Fi, and when you've done that, exit out of your Instagram, and then you have to go ahead and open up your Instagram one more time and then go to your DMs, and from here onwards you could go ahead and see the photo. As you can see, this is the one, so you can go ahead and press on it, and here you can see this is how you can go ahead and view the photo. Likewise, if you're still unable to see it, then you can also try doing this or long press on the Instagram app and go to the app info page, and here go to clear cache and storage, and make sure to clear cache and turn on the flight mode for a couple of seconds, and after that open up your internet connection and then re-log in, and that's gonna fix the issue. So that's how you can reopen the Instagram photo message. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.